Well, folks, Captain speaking. You may have noticed we're on final approach here for runway 31 right at Dallas, and we had an indication up here that one of our engines was not performing correctly, and we got a kind of a precautionary warning light that's on, so we shut that engine down to prevent any further damage. And we're going to go ahead and land straight ahead with our engine shut down. We are going to have the emergency equipment come out and check us out to make sure that we're okay. I don't anticipate any problems. It'll be a normal landing as far as you're concerned. And after we land and get the okay from the emergency equipment, then we'll taxi on into the gate. And that's about all there is to it. We'll see you on the ground, and we'll be landing in about 5 minutes, the runway straight ahead in front of us. And I'll talk to you after we land and after we talk to the emergency equipment. And please follow the instructions of our flight attendants for me, and they'll be advised also. I'll talk to you again in about 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, folks, Captain speaking. The emergency equipment's going to come up and check our engine out for us, and as soon as they give us the okay, we'll taxi on into the gate. Appreciate your patience. Please remain in your seats for me right now. Thank you. Okay, folks, we've been given the all clear from the emergency equipment, and we're taxiing on up to the gate. And we'll see you at the gate in about 3 or 4 minutes. Thank you.
Fastest engine inspection I've ever seen.